Hello friends, it's another Monday and we're gonna do the 100 Emblem Savings Challenge that I mean it's so cool. If you haven't joined yet, we just started and every week we're gonna do 3 of them. You can decide not to do 3 of them, you can just follow along. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And this is the 100 Emblem Savings Challenge with a twist. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Hello, hi. This is your girl again. I hope everybody is doing very well. Like I said, today we're gonna do the 100 Emblem Savings Challenge. Last week we did it 3 of these, and today we're gonna do another 3. Yes, and you can still follow along without doing the 3. That's okay. Whichever amount that you can do from here, even if you can do just one, it's okay. It's okay. You just have to follow along. We just decided to tweak it a little bit so that it will be easy for everybody to do. Okay, so if you haven't joined yet, this is the time to get your 100 envelope to join. We are doing this by the end of the year. We might have about $1,000. That's how cool this is. So tell a friend to join. So today we're gonna do 13 to 28. So we're gonna do 3 of these. And before we do that, let's go ahead count the money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have 22. Then we have 1. I always don't arrange the money well, so I'll be in trouble for. So we have, let's count it again. 1, 2, 3. So 35 plus 22, that'll be 57. Then we do have 1, 2, 3, that's 30, so that'll be like 87. So let's see if we are about right. After we do the math, we will know whether we're right or wrong. So let's go ahead. Let me get some cream on my hand. Then we will continue. I feel like my hands are dry. So let me get some cream. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm so grateful, thankful for life, for everything. So okay, here we go. So this one will get 1 plus 3, which is $4. So the double numbers, we are adding them. So for those of you who are asking questions, yes, we are not doing it like the regular 100 Emblem Savings Challenge. For the double numbers, I'm adding them. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that's why I told you how cool it is, so that you can do it, I can do it. If somebody don't have $14 in a slot, it doesn't mean that they can do the 100 Emblem Savings Challenge. 1 plus 5 is 6. You can still do it. One plus 6 is 7. One plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Then 20, for 20, instead of doing 2 plus 0 is 2, I'm going to still put 20 here. So for my multiples of 10, I'm putting exact amount. So 20, I'll put 20. When it was 10, I did put 10. So 30, I'm going to put 30. So that's how we're going to do it. Also, I'm doing it up to 24, not 28. So we have 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, then 2 plus 2 is gonna be $4. Then 2 plus 3 is gonna be $5. Then 2 plus 4 is gonna be $6. Okay, so that's all we did for today. And let's go ahead and make sure we color this. Okay, then I'll go ahead and do the math to make sure I did have the same amount. So 3, no, it's gonna be 4 plus 5 plus 6 and plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then this one was 20, so plus 18. So that'll be 87. So we did have 87 when you counted it. So that's right. Okay, so let's see. Let me shade this. I think I love it when I shade it like that. The top here. Okay, so that's all for today. Is this not cute? So I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.